Today I am going to share Afghani chicken curry recipe. Tomato for large, cut into half. Water, a half cup. Cover and boil 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off tomato skins. Transfer to the tomato in a blender jar. Blend well. Oil, a half cup. Chicken 1 kilogram. Fry 6 to 8 minutes. Garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Stir and mix. Seedless green chili, 10-12 pieces. Mix. Add tomato puree. Stir and mix. Salt to taste. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon. Yogurt. Mix. Cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir. Sliced ginger. Fresh coriander leaf. Roasted cumin powder. Mix. Cook another 2 minutes. Done. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.